some activity because I don't like this silence. Okay, this silent class. So I'm going to give some activity, and I'm starting from Shweta. All right. She is late and she has taken so much rest. So now I want to destroy some restness from her side. Okay. So Shweta, be ready. Shweta, you have to make 5 sentences where you can add and show me the verb. Okay. Means through the sentences you have to show the verb. 5 sentences. Hmm.
Mm, I watched TV
Hmm.
last night,
Hmm.
and I am sorry.
Yes, you can
Um,
also use state verb. Like in previous class, I told you that there are two kinds of verbs. One is action verb and other is state verb. Okay.
State
Now,
verb.
if I'm
Okay.
telling that I am taking classes, I am taking classes. So taking is our action verb. कि मैं क्लास ले रही हूँ, that
Okay.
is action verb. But if I'm saying that I am a girl, I am a girl, मैं एक लड़की हूँ, I am a girl. So
ये verb नहीं आएगा.
am is your state verb. Okay. So
Okay.
you can give example of both, either
I
action or state verb.
okay. I am attending the class.
Hmm.
Uh, Today I am going to market.
Okay.
Okay. And 3 हो गए और 2 बताना है.
But you say today I went to market. Okay.
Okay. I went to market.
Because you have been already returned from the market. So you would say I went to market.
Okay.
Hmm.
I I drank water
Hmm.
after coming, and
After coming means you would say I drank water.
okay, I drank water
Hmm.
after coming, and now I listen to you,
I'm listening to you.
listening to you.
Yeah, because this activity is going on. This is going
Okay.
on process. Okay. So some work and some activity that is going on continuous basis. So you would put ing in the verb. So I'm listening to you. All
I
right.
am listening to you. Okay.
Yeah. So Naz, Azra, and Ishaq, you can observe from the sentences that the example given by Shweta, everywhere she mentioned the verb like she's listening to me. So listening is verb, and she watched television. So watched is verb, and she went to shopping. So went is your verb, and she drank water. So drank is verb. Okay, and okay, in this way she gave example of verb. All right. Now in the same way, Azra, you have to make 5 sentences where you will try to show the verb, and you can show the action verb and state verb as well as. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, make 5 sentences.
Today I am joined the class. When I joined the class, I was facing network issues.
Mhm.
Uh, so I have tried and finally joined the class.
Okay.
It's done.
It's done.
Wait.
Have you made 5 sentences? You have to make 5 sentences.
Okay.
Yes.
When I am
वर्ब शो
uh,
करना है, मतलब वर्ब क्या हो जाएगा तुम्हारा? खाना पीना, हंसना
join
रोना,
है.
सीखना, पढ़ना, है
Yes,
ना?
network
कुछ भी
issues
बना दो,
है.
जरूरी नहीं है कि एकदम जो किया है वही बताना है, कुछ भी बना दो अपने मन से, बस वर्ब दिखना चाहिए, मुझे बस वर्ब देखना है. and
Yeah.
try to be a bit fast.
Okay. मैं कहाँ पे थी? हाँ, yeah. I joined the class when I was facing network issues.
Hmm.
So I was
I
tried.
joined the class. Okay, are you
I joined the class.
Hmm.
So
Okay.
I was with network issues. Then I was try, and after that and after that I am joined the class and till continue and
Mhm.
yeah.
So tick, 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 tick. Now, Nas, it's your turn. Try to make 5 sentences where you can show verb.
Yeah. I मतलब अपने बारे में बता लो कुछ
कुछ भी बता दो, कुछ भी, बस वर्ब दिखना चाहिए वहां पर। मतलब कुछ भी काम, किसी का भी, तुम जरूरी नहीं है अपने बारे में बताना, कोई भी सेंटेंस बना दो, बस उसमें वर्ब आना चाहिए।
हेलो,
ओके
बहुत ज्यादा लेट हो गया क्या? वसीम बोल रहे।
तो तुम्हारा 2 दिन शिफ्ट रहता है, नाइट शिफ्ट, वो तो हमको समझ में आता है, अब आज क्या हो गया था?
क्या बोले सी, ये लोग लेट से लेट कर देता है।
ओह अच्छा, ओह मीन्स दिस प्रॉब्लम इज नॉट फ्रॉम योर साइड, कोई बात नहीं।
क्या चल रहा है? नॉन ना प्रोनाउन।
Yeah, you haven't missed anything because this is basically revision is going on, so there is nothing about worrying. Okay, no need to worry about it. It's basically your revision is going on. Like in our previous class, we had already studied about noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, and yeah, till then. So this is kind of revision, and yeah, Naz, please
यस
tell us.
I study English daily. I study.
Yeah, very good. I study English daily. So study is verb. Yes, okay.
I and I eat something कुछ भी खाती हूँ
Hmm. Okay, go. I eat.
something क्या something होगा
I eat something. You can mention the name. You can mention the name. It would be nice.
I eat biryani कुछ भी होगा biryani favorite
Okay, you eat biryani every day.
हाँ every day and
Where?
I नहीं कुछ भी होगा और
Okay.
बोलना
Yeah, she told that I eat biryani every day. So eat, eat. It is also verb. All right. Now other sentences.
I write I write a letter
I write.
that's a letter
I write letters. Nas, please, you don't judge yourself. तुम खुद से खुद को जज मत करो, जो है बस बोल दो, जो भी आ रहा है मन में सेंटेंसेस जस्ट से। ओके, उसको करेक्ट करना वो मेरा काम है, ठीक है? आप जस्ट ये सोचो कि मेरा सब कुछ करेक्ट है, आपको जस्ट बोल देना है, खुद में ही मत सोचो ये सही होगा नहीं होगा, ऐसे नहीं, ठीक है? जस्ट से। ओके। ओके, सो आई eat biryani, eat, ये हो गया स्टडी। एंड आफ्टर दैट, what was the third sentence from your side?
क्या बोले बस इतना ही हमें समझ नहीं आ रहा कुछ
Okay, कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है। इशाक, now it's your turn to make 5 sentences and you have to showcase verb.
Yes, my mobile was solid today,
My mobile phone was stolen.
and I went to market.
Hmm.
I went to market
Hmm.
and purchase new mobile.
Hmm.
Purchase new mobile,
Yes.
and after that, eating biryani today.
हमारे मोबाइल चोरी होने
and
की
अच्छा and
and
I go back to home and some pages study in English class. I join English online English classes.
Okay, all right.
And then some reels scrolling in Instagram. कितने हो गए?
Yeah, it's maybe 5 or 6 sentences you have made now. All right. So my main motive
Yes,
is
done.
to show the verb in the sentences. My first motive is to make you speak. फर्स्ट मोटिव ये है कि ग्रामर सीखने के साथ साथ आप लोग सेंटेंसेस बोल सको, ये एक एक्टिविटी आ सके. एंड सेकंड थिंग कि अभी जो वर्ब है वो आप लोग देख सको सेंटेंसेस में आपका वर्ब कहाँ है. ओके, I think you are clearly getting it, and if you are not getting it, then please feel free to ask. Now Wasim, it's your turn. You have to make 5 sentences where you have to showcase verb. It may be action verb or it may be state verb. Wasim, are you listening to me?
Yes, listening.
Yeah, so please start.
5 sentences, na?
You have to make 5 sentences.
So today is my after shift in my hospital duty. Now I am attending my online class.
Okay, now I am attending my online class. Could you please tell me, I am attending my online class. In this sentence, where is the verb?
Attending.
Attending. Yes, very nice. Okay, now.
Ek do.
Hmm.
I travel today. I traveled to from Asansol to Havla. Traveled
Okay,
here
wait.
is where the scene.
Yes. Okay. Please, you don't say. But you have already said. Naz, you tell me, as Wasim told that I traveled from Asansol to Howrah, right? So, what is the verb in this sentence?
Travel.
Travel, right? Okay. Now, go on, Wasim.
Due to my hospital duty, I got late in my class. Here is late.
Okay.
Late is verb.
You got late in the class. Okay, Naz, please tell me now what's the verb in this sentence? He got late in the class.
Late, I think. We got क्या था उस sentence? We got it.
He got late for the class.
The class. I think class होगा.
No,
Class.
verb.
Sorry.
Yes, you have to choose verb.
Got.
Which is Nas? Say again. All right, Azra, Shweta, and Ishak, please you all try to tell me in this
repeat
sentence.
Late.
the sentence?
Wasim, please repeat your sentence.
Today, due to my hospital shift, I got late to join the class.
Late. Late is the verb.
It's late.
Late.
I think hospital.
No.
Hospital, how
No.
hospital can be verb,
क्योंकि
Isha?
वो ये बोल रहे हैं कि वो लेट हो
वो
गए,
लेट हो
तो
गया।
लेट होने का
लेट
कारण था,
मतलब
तो ये फिर
Okay, yes, yes. Okay.
I'm right,
But
Ashya?
in a very sad way, I have to say that you all are wrong here.
why?
Okay, give
God?
me one
Okay,
more chance.
got.
Say, okay.
God. I think God.
Got late. Got.
Yes.
Late
Okay.
हो गया. ओके होना, देर इज होना, तो हो गया के लिए क्या यूज करें? आई गॉट लेट, सो गॉट इज वर्ब
Yeah.
here.
Okay.
And there is two verb actually. Okay, so now tell me the other verb. He told I got late to join the English class. So what is the other verb in this sentence?
Join.
Join. Very correct.
Yes.
Yes, you got it
Yes,
correct.
Joan.
Join. Yes. Now other sentence, Wasim.
With my online class, I want to improve my English.
Okay. Now it's kind of open to all. Please tell me what are the verb in this sentence.
Want.
Whoever can. Want. All right.
Yes.
And also tell me of another verb. There are two verbs in the sentence.
Please, Wasim, repeat.
यहाँ बोले हम भी भूल गए.
Join, no? Join English class.
With
So
other.
other is join.
You followed the sentence itself.
I think other sentences I want इसने कहा तो शायद want.
Okay, he told that I want to, means through this class I want to improve my English. Now try to find two verb in this sentence.
Improve.
Action.
Yes.
Yes,
And
definitely. Yes, so there are two verb, want and improve. Okay.
Yeah.
I think now verb has been clear for all of you.
Yes.
Okay, so we should go
Yes.
ahead. All right. So after having some water, I would ask about adjective. It would be better if you will be ready beforehand about the adjective. Okay. I would like to get five sentences with example. All right. So please be ready after having some water because it's very necessary for my throat.